Hey
Hi
guys! This girl. Welcome to another weekend video. We are adventuring to North Shore. Right now we just got to Kaneohe. Here's my husband Fernando. He arrived from Brazil. And so first stop is we're gonna go ahead and get some food over at Waya Pole Poi Factory. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. It's like traditional Hawaiian food, and they're known for this Haupia ice cream, which I am definitely excited about. So we'll take you guys along. Alright guys, so I'm going to eat the ice cream first because it's melting like crazy. It's super hot today, so I just want to show you guys. This is the Haupia ice cream, and then at the bottom is Kualoa, which is like a taro right here. So this is what they're known for. It's called Sweet Lady. And they make it fresh here. It's just melting super fast because it's super hot today. But yeah, so we got our food. We're gonna go ahead over to a beach park nearby. So we'll see you guys there. All right, got here to Kualoa Beach Park. You see Chinaman's hat right over there. Okoli'i Island. Look how cute is this setup we got going on right here. That's cute. We brought some chairs and also a folding portable table that I got off of Amazon. So let me show you guys what we got for lunch. Oh my Jews. Excuse me. Ooh. So we got the, I don't even know what I ordered.
Pork lau lau.
Pork lau lau and squid lau
Oh, you
lau.
got squid?
I think so. I think that's what's inside here. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's chibog. Beautiful view. So coming from Brazil, how do you like the food?
Pretty yummy.
Yeah.
Love it. Squid and Kualoa pork. Squid something.
Pork lau lau maybe.
Yeah.
How's your food?
Very green.
Very green.
Look at that.
Wow.
It's like,
And it's beef, right?
I was gonna say something disgusting, but I don't want to turn anyone off.
Yeah, so this is traditional Hawaiian food for those that are not familiar with it. This is what the squid lau lau looks like, and there's the pork one, yeah. But we have a beautiful view of Chinaman's Hat. We're trying to sit in the shade somewhat. That's why we're kind of a bit far back from the ocean water. But yeah, we're gonna take some photos here later after we eat before we head up to North Shore. So thanks for coming along our adventures today. So Fernando is swimming right now. He's like right there. I'm gonna try to swim over to Chinaman's Hat. Water's super nice today. My gosh, beautiful guys, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous day. Ugh, the sun is like, it's around 86 degrees right now. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good Saturday as well.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. sounded so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
We stopped by to get coconut water here at Kahuku Farms. Honestly, it is definitely overpriced, guys. This one coconut is like $8. But you know, gotta hydrate. Aloha! We are here at Kawela Bay. This is my first time here. Well, we tried to go here last time, but GPS ended up taking us somewhere else. But I mean, look how pretty this entrance is. Let's go check out the water. Alright guys, let's change into our swimsuits. We're gonna go ahead and swim. I already saw a couple turtles out here. I'm just so glad that there's a lot of trees here for shade, because otherwise we will be getting barbecued. I still need to put another second layer of sunblock on. But just remember, when you come to Hawaii, you need reef-safe sunscreen, please, to protect the coral and the marine life. The water is super calm, as you can see. It's a beautiful, beautiful bay. There's a stand-up paddleboarding out there. Lots of space for everyone to spread out. So I'm kind of glad we went here. The original plan was to actually go to Waimea Bay, but we already know that there's no shade there, and I think parking is pretty challenging as well. So for here for Kawela Bay, we just parked across from the street, and then you just take the trail that goes to the ocean side. Aloha guys, we're back in the car. That was some pretty cool snorkeling over at Sharks Cove. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, pretty much.
You had fun? Good.
I'm tired and hungry.
Yeah, I was probably gonna snack. We have one more stop on our adventure today before we head home. Also, before I mention what that is, Kawela Bay is a good spot to chill. A lot of shady trees. However, I do not recommend it for snorkeling. So if you don't see any footage of Kawela Bay, it's because there was nothing to see. Visibility was very, very poor.
Similar to Pokai Bay.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely recommend Sharks Cove for snorkeling. And so our next stop is over at Honolulu River. It is Operation Retrieve the Drone Part 2. That's right. And we brought in reinforcements.
It's on me, guys.
Yes, this half man, half fish can hold his breath underwater for long periods of time. So hopefully he can find the drone amid the very murky waters of Honolulu River. We'll see. Stay tuned, follow us along to find out if we or he is successful.
I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely led me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something.
Hey guys, so unfortunately we weren't able to retrieve the drone, but no, thanks honey for trying. Yeah, we are here getting some dinner. We got this delicious Thai shrimp, spicy shrimp. So yeah, I'm gonna close out. Oh, and she got their fresh summer rolls, not spring rolls, summer rolls, because they're not fried.
Yeah, please have some because it's a lot.
So yeah, I just want to say thanks for coming along our adventures today, guys.
Thank you, guys.
I'm gonna link his YouTube channel in the description below. He does vlogs on scuba diving, and he's from Brazil. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out his video below. But once again, like to support the video, please, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Bye.